Hello IK! Today I'm going to tell you a story called The Rainforest by John Locke. Rainforests are very, very old. They have been on Earth for millions of years. A rainforest is full of trees, plants, flowers, and animals. It rains there on most days. Rainforests in hot countries are warm and wet all year. Sometimes they are called jungles. More kinds of animals and plants live in the rainforests than anywhere else in the world. Trees in a rainforest can be as high as a tall building. The tops of the tall trees make a canopy, like a roof. The canopy makes the floor of the forest very dark. Snails and spiders and insects live there in all kinds of plants. Many kinds of birds live in the canopy of the rainforest. They build nests in the branches. Their food is insects and seeds. Monkeys swing from branches and vines high in the canopy. They like to eat fruit and nuts. Little tree frogs hop along the branches, and bright butterflies live there too. Bats fly quietly at night. Snakes are hard to see as they slide along rainforest streams. The biggest hunters on the forest floor are hungry tigers and jaguars. Jaguars can climb trees and they like to hunt at night. They like to look for food at night. Rainforests are full of life, and the world needs its rainforests. So this was the book today, and you learned a bit about rainforests. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye!